Welcome Primary 6. I am Ms. Nermeen Said, your science teacher for Primary 6. Today we will study Unit 4, Lesson 2, Locomotory System. Primary 6. When we change our position or our place, it's called a movement. So, what is a movement? It's the ability of our body to change the place or position. Again, what's meant by the movement? It's the ability of our body to change its place or position. And the system which is responsible for the movement is called locomotory system. The locomotory system is a system which is responsible for the movement of our body. And our locomotory system divided into or consists of skeletal system and muscular system. Skeletal system and muscular system. In this lesson, we will study the skeletal system. Our skeletal system consists of two main parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. In axial skeleton, skull, rib cage, backbone, and in appendicular skeleton, upper limbs and lower limbs. Let's start with axial skeleton. A. The axial skeleton. Number 1 in axial skeleton is a skull. Skull is a bony box which contains cavities for eyes, ear, and nose. And skull is very important to protect our brain. B. Rib cage. Rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs, and the first 10 pairs connected with the sternum or breastbone. And it's very important to protect our lungs and heart, and also help in respiration process. C. Backbone. Our backbone consists of 33 vertebrae with cartilages between them to prevent friction during movement. And the function of backbone is number 1, to allow the body to bend in all directions and to protect our spinal cord. And now, appendicular skeleton. In appendicular skeleton there are upper limbs, which they are connected with shoulder bone. And upper limbs are humerus, forearm, hand. Humerus, forearm, hand. And they help us in eating, drinking, writing, and holding things. And also in appendicular skeleton there are lower limbs, which they are connected with pelvic bone. Femur, shaft, foot. Femur, shaft, foot. And also help us in running, standing, sitting. And now joints. Joints is a location where the two bones meet in the body. Joints is a location where the two bones meet in our body. And we have three types of joints: immovable joints, slightly or limited movable joints, and freely or unlimited movable joints. Immovable joints, they don't allow any movement, such as joints between bones in a skull. And the slightly movable or limited movable joints, they allow movement in one direction, like knee and elbow joints. While the freely movable or unlimited movable joints allow movement in all directions, like shoulder, wrist, and thigh or hip joints. And now, the role of the muscles in performing movement. To make any movement, we need our muscle. By contraction and relaxation of the muscle, our body can make the movement. So, our body can move by contraction and relaxation of the muscle. Our body can move by contraction and relaxation of the muscle. For example, look at figure A. We have here front muscle and back muscle. When the front muscle contracts and the back muscle relax, the arm will move up. While in figure A, when the front muscle relax and the back muscle contract, the arm will move down. So the arm in make many position or can make movement by contraction and relaxation of the muscle. Thank you, primary 6.